I'm Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness, and I wanted to share a beautiful vision that I had this weekend. I've been talking to a lot of people lately, and they seem to have a similar vision of having a healing retreat center. My husband and I were also given this vision, and we want it to be more than that, actually a community of like-minded people who are living a high vibration life and want to assist humanity. And I was shown that there are going to be light workers from all over the world. At one time we were kept separate because it wasn't safe for us to be together because of all the dark forces that wanted to target us. But the time is shifting, and we are coming to a place where it is now safe for us to start to merge and come back together. And I see that there will be these healing centers all over the earth, and there will be many of them, and they will be different types and varieties based on, whatever someone wants to access is going to be available for them. And anyone who wants to live in one is probably going to be aligned and connected with people who are in perfect vibration and alignment with them. And I see people taking on all kinds of different roles. They're not going to be just all healers. We're going to have builders and people who love to cook, those who love to garden, those ones who love to work with children and animals. There's really a place for everyone at the table. And I see in this new earth that everyone can thrive and succeed doing something they love and that they're absolutely passionate about. If you've ever had somebody tell you, oh, you can't make any money doing that, that does not apply to New Earth. We all have unique gifts and abilities, and there's a space for everyone to do something that they absolutely love and adore and feel passionate about. For me, it is not cooking. It is healing and give me some gardening. I like some kids once in a while, but there's this beautiful energy, and I have talked to, I can't even think of how many people now who are having these similar visions, and I see this coming to fruition very quickly. I don't have an exact timeline for us, but if you're thinking about this, keep manifesting, keep putting it out there, keep talking to people, and I am confident you will get aligned with the right people who are on board with you, that who you're meant to build this kind of center with, and maybe what you need will just be donated to you. Who knows? I think all the doors are going to be open, and we'll move into this space where we're not going to have limitations of time and finances and distance and school and those types of things. So just really beautiful. I'd love to hear comments. Have you had a vision of this, or are you feeling this energy at all in the air?